What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. We're out here on another one. Today we're going to show you how to stop erosion from a gravel driveway. If your gravel driveway keeps washing out, we're going to fix you up, teach you how to fix it. So we got this long driveway here. Bunch of potholes to fix. Got to regrade a bunch of it. We'll show you the main spot of focus. So that's where it's washing out really bad. Got some rocks there. Ain't gonna cut it. Really bad on this side. All the way up. This is what we're gonna use. Cobblestone. So yeah, let's get to fixing. What's up, guys? You know what to do. Subscribe, smash that like button, all the above. We appreciate you. Every view counts. But anyways, this is a good video. People have a lot of problems with their driveway eroding, and hopefully this video helps you out. You can see right now we're digging out the drainage ditch that's kind of all washed out. We're gonna start filling it with the cobblestone, and we'll let you guys just watch how it's done. Let's get to the video. So yeah, as you can see, we wrapped up the installing all the cobblestone. Now we're just resurfacing the driveway. We hauled in like 30 tons here, and we're just spreading it all out. This already had a pretty good base on it, so we're just kind of resurfacing everything where it was all washed out and filling in a bunch of potholes and stuff. Hopefully we won't have to come back and fix this one, and it should be all taken care of. But if you haven't yet, check out our merch store down below. Don't forget to check out our daily short videos, all the above. Always a good time. We're here just always doing something different. Like, we got a video coming out here real shortly, and it's how to prevent water issues with foundations, and we're installing some good pop-up drains for downspouts and stuff like that. But yeah, anything excavation related, landscaping, we're doing it. So if you're trying to learn or you just enjoy watching the content, check out all of our videos. Check out our playlist. We got tons of how-to videos, just a lot of jobs that we've done in the past. But we'll just enjoy this time lapse and get to the video. Appreciate you as always.